Hi, I'm attorney James Betzold with Betzold Law. I'm an immigration attorney, and today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about one of the questions a lot of my clients have, and that is, if my spouse entered the United States without a visa, can I still get them a green card? That answer depends. And first we need to talk about two types of bars that exist. One is a 10-year bar, and one is a 10-year permanent bar. Right? Now the 10-year bar for unlawful presence is one thing, where somebody entered the United States and now they've been here for more than a year without permission. You can get a waiver for that. If that's the only issue, there's nothing else going on, we can prove the right amount of hardship to your spouse, then you can get a waiver. So yes, you could get a green card. Now, the more complicated situation is this, and I'm going to take it slow. The government's going to look at a period of time from April 1st of 1997 until today, and they're going to ask, during that period of time, have you entered the United States more than once and been here in total for more than a year? And then once in total you were here for more than a year, did you leave the country and then come back without permission? Okay? Leaving can be for any reason. It can be because someone was deported. It can be because you wanted to visit grandma before she passed away, or your mom was sick, or it was someone's quinceañera. Whatever the reason was, it doesn't matter. If you left and then came back again one more time without permission, they'll say that you have a 10-year permanent bar, and there's no waiver for it. So if you're in that situation, if there's any doubt, I highly recommend you talk to an immigration attorney. There may be some other options available to you, but there is no waiver for that. You will actually have to be outside of the United States for a period of 10 years before you can apply for a visa. And that 10 years, the counting of it, it doesn't start until you're actually outside the United States. So it's very important to be aware of. What has happened a number of times is people will go through all the paperwork, they do it themselves, or they use a notary or someone who's a non-professional, and they'll actually end up at their interview in Ciudad Juarez, or the Ciudad de Guatemala, or San Salvador, or whatever home country they're from, and at the interview, the interviewer will say, I'm sorry, but I can't give you a visa to the United States. You have to wait 10 years here. There's no waiver. And that can be pretty inconvenient as far as planning your family life, who's going to live where, what are we going to do. You certainly don't want that to happen. So, if any of this sounds like it might apply to you, definitely seek out an immigration attorney. We can help you with obtaining any necessary waivers, and also avoiding a situation where you're stuck for 10 years outside of the United States and separated from your family. I'm attorney James Betzold, and I want to invite you to look around the site. We have some other videos and information, and we've helped unite many, many families through immigration. Thank you.